Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Moonta. Sunday at Moonta. It's a donation camp, this one, and yeah, so we've been camping here. It's been packed. People been everywhere. Half of them already gone already. Yeah, there's the big car thing on today, so we're going back to Kadina, where we were yesterday, to see what's going on there, and last day of like the Cornish festival. So yeah, we'll just shout out to lady who left us a comment yesterday. Sorry if we offended you and the other Corns. It's not what we meant to do. We just didn't really know anything about Cornish people. So, but yeah, thanks for teaching us a bit anyway.
Thank you.
So yeah, let's go have a look. All right. So we've drove into Kadina and we've just stopped at the start of the town because like all the way between Moonta and Kadina there's been people camped along the road like this, and they're all waiting for the cars to come. So we thought, well, we'll wait around with the locals for the cars to come so we can actually see them drive past, and should be mad. Look, here's one, he's just by himself though. We saw that one yesterday too, eh? Mad car. Getting like the odd car come past like that by itself, but I think they're people that like didn't register for the rally, so they're just cruising around waiting for the rest of the cars, I guess, because you had to register like ages ago. The thing reckons there's going to be like 500 cars, so like this should be pretty full on. Hopefully they're all tailgating each other, or my video will end up like 50 minutes long to try and get them all in. So yeah, we'll see how we go. I really hope there's a nice 120Y coupe that we can buy. So go and hassle them out to sell their car. Still waiting, but oh man, check out this beast. She's an ocker. Oh man, that's sick. Swap ya. I can hear beeping and revving. I'm guessing this is the first car. Oh yeah. Green GTS. It's a 4-door. Yeah. Woo! Corvette. Old Corona. Beast. Ford Meteor. Oh man. Best car of the day.
Oh, Mum had a Telstar like that.
GS. Here's this EK wagon, fuck yeah. Oh man, that's sick. What's old mate riding here? Oh, a motorbike. Couldn't tell you much more than that. This must be something really vintage holding everyone up. And the Mazda 3. Oh man, that's sick. So that must have been all like the Hoons, because they're like miles in front of anyone else. There's no other cars coming at the moment. So yeah, let's wait around and see what else comes. Oh, here's a couple more motorbikes. Oh, the trike, eh? Do some donuts. Oh, here comes someone else. Check out that dog sitting there, eh? I was like, is it a statue or a real dog? But it's a statue, I'm pretty sure. Whoa, so here comes some Valiant. Is it a Charger? It looks like it's a Charger. Oh yeah. Yeah. Mad. Oh man, that's pretty sick. Oh, this bike sounds pretty old, eh? Listen to me. It's a BSA little 2-stroke thing. That's mad. We should have stopped back up the road further where it turns from like the 60k to 100k zone. That would have been the place to be, where everyone's like, be mad. Alright, here we go. This looks like there's more coming now. Oh, that thing's a beast. Oh, that thing's a beast. Oh, the Mini, what a beast. Oh, that's pretty cool, eh? Mad Valiant. Oh, the EH. Oh no, it's a HR, that one. Oh, big Cadillac. Corvette. Here you go. Ah, Type 3 coupe. Nice. Oh, the SS Tirana. Look at this. Oh, what a beast. What's next? Commodore. Old Holden. Oh, the F-Truck. Oh, lady with blue hair. GT. Oh, Falcon Ute. Oh, the Esky. Oh, that's sick. Oh, old Chrysler. Wow. Oh, that had some fins on it. Oh, wow. There's a Ford Sierra. No way. Oh, man. Wow. Beast. Oh, there's a bit of a gap in the cars again now, so wait and see what else comes. Oh, the Magna. It's been pretty cool so far, eh? But there must be like another 400 cars to come or something, eh? They reckon there was, yeah, they reckon there was 500 cars in the last one, so I don't know how many's in this one, but I'm guessing there's a few. Here comes another sidecar, right? It's been mad. Fucking row. Oh, here's some more coming. I just noticed these people with the dog statue, they bought a vase of flowers too. Like, that's really weird. It must be like a Cornish thing.
This is a fake fail.
Yeah. Ah, what's this? Ah, it's pretty cool. Oh, we get to see the caravan,
They were
though.
dressed up Cornishly in there.
There's that Carmen Gia we saw yesterday. Oh yeah, we saw this yesterday too, the HQ. Oh, and the caravan. Oh, wow. Man, I hate caravans, eh? If you got to spend any time driving with them, they're, oh, it's horrible
All over the
being
place,
behind
yeah.
them. Nice old, yeah, I'd have an old Jag like that. Oh, here's a really old Jag. This thing's nice. Yeah. Oh, MG. Hey, little MG. Oh, HR sedan, that's pretty nice. Oh, truck. Mini Moke. There's that Merc we saw yesterday. Ah, yeah, and we saw this thing yesterday too. Oh, the Mustang. Very nice. Rev him up. Oh, the rat truck. Beast. Comes GTHO. That must be original. It's got the plates and everything, eh? Oh, man, there's $500,000. There's old Dodge. Oh, Valiant. That's pretty cool. We saw one of them.
I like that.
Yeah, and the one behind it. That's nice too. Oh, yeah. What else? Ford Explorer.
Oh, there's something cool coming.
Oh, an old bus. Beast.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. He's loving it.
We saw that dude at Port Germain. Remember we talked to him.
Okay, I can't remember.
We talked to him.
And we see people we know everywhere, eh? Oh, here's the Cruiser. Check it out. Dodge, it's a big thing. Oh, check out the bike. Ah, I love the little old bikes, eh? Another two-stroke. EH Holden. Oh, VK? No. VH maybe. Oh, that's a VH there with the metal bumpers. Oh, they're all pretty tough. Another Mini Moke. Oh, here's some Chevs. Oh, the old, what, like an FB panel van. Oh, Corolla. What was that? A two-door wagon Corolla. No way. Club Sport. That's what I learned to drive in, was one like that. Oh, FC Special. Jemmy. Oh, what's this?
Wow.
Oh, Chevy wagon. Oh, it's a Chevy panel van. Oh, mad. B57, that one with the big fins. and then we get a break again. Oh, how sick
That's
is it?
pretty cool,
Yeah, yeah. Oh, some of the cars, man, are awesome,
All
mate.
the excitement and pageantry of it all.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
Oh yeah, the locals are loving it, eh? Check out the crowds, eh? There's just people everywhere. All down the street here. Just goes for ages, people watching. Yeah, up him! Oh, that might be my favourite car yet.
Well, something cool's coming.
They're coming. Oh yeah, the old dude, eh? It's got the mad horn going.
Yeah. Can't get enough of those Uga horns.
Oh, another Land Cruiser. Oh, it's a Prado. Oh, here comes some flashing orange. See what he is. Oh yeah, this thing's pretty nice, hey? Rev him up! Yeah, nice. Oh, and the VP Commodore. Oh man, how sick was that? Oh, what was that? Oh, it was that Commodore wagon over there. Oh, lonely blue HR ute. Oh my old man, he just bought a HR wagon, eh? It's like a similar blue, but it's got white on it as well. I can't wait to get back to Queensland and have a go on it. So, I love driving the old Holdens, eh? It's gonna be mad. Aiden, watching the cars, it's 10 o'clock, when will they stop? Tell her, do more burnouts. Oh, listen to these ones come. Oh, it's just one car, is it? It sounded like two cars with two different horns. Maybe he's got two different horns. Oh, he's just putting along. Woo! Oh, and here comes the VP again. Oh man, that FJ's pretty nice, eh? Man, that poor old VP Commodore, she's blowing a bit of smoke there, mate. You might need to get that looked at. Oh, check out the Wombat. How cool is it, eh? But, oh man, here comes some cool cars. There's this old thing Uruga down the road. Wow. Oh, the old Morris panel van. Oh, it's an old RAA vehicle, eh? Oh, that's sick. Oh, yeah. That'd be mad. I almost bought one of them, eh? Old Belmont panel van. Oh, Tirana. Man, there's a lot of GTRs get around South Australia. Combi. Old Dodge Ute. Oh, man. How mad's that? There's a lot of cars like that have the Uga horns that are probably like too modern. That's like a really old car thing, and it's on like 70s cars and stuff. Oh, another Maury. Oh, and a Peugeot. Wow, wow, 204, eh? Beast. Oh, here we are. This looks like the bulk of them now.
Oh wow, look how they're dressed up.
Oh man, yeah, they were dressed pretty flash. Oh, that's sick. Oh, SS. Up him! Oh, nice Commodore. Oh, it's not an SS though. But it was really nice. Oh man. No way, what a sick Celica. Oh, the laser! No way! It takes all sorts, I guess. Oh, another Mustang, eh? Oh, that was pretty nice. Oh, what's this? Yeah, that thing's pretty cool, mate. I'd drive that.
I had a really cool dog too.
Oh, the purple Ford Coupe. Oh, what a beast. They have like a big car show in Bundaberg every year where all the Ford Coupes like that come and meet, eh? Another Combi. Oh, Bluebird! Woo! Yeah! Go the Dano! Oh, yeah, that was pretty cool, eh? That was really clean and tidy for an old Bluebird. Oh, EH here. That's really nice looking, eh? Yeah, that's really nice, that one. Whoa, this thing.
Wow.
Oh, that's the one we saw at Peary the other week. XYGS. Oh, look at this thing. He's like four-wheel driving. It was really high, that. Oh, that's nice. Don't run over people though, mate. Watch where you go. Oh, yeah. Bit boring. Oh, the Chrysler. Oh, man. Oh, it was a two-door one as well. Oh, it was a Dodge, not a Chrysler. Wow. OMG. Rolls Royce. Oh, an SLR 5000. Oh, that's mean. It doesn't have the drop tank. What's going on? Maybe they didn't all come with a drop tank. Another GDR. Oh, another SLR 5000. He doesn't have the drop tank either. You need a drop tank if you're going to have an SLR 5000. Oh, man. There's another Ford Capri like we saw yesterday. Some old motorbike with a sidecar. Oh, here comes another one of these RAA cars, eh? Oh, I'd be mad to have one of them, eh? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, here's a modern one. Hey! It's a little Bellet, Isuzu. Oh, Maury.
You can barely fit it in.
Statesman, we saw that one yesterday. Oh, we saw this thing yesterday too, eh? That's that SS Jaguar. Wow. Oh, there's a Walkinshaw. Oh, man, that's mad. Oh, that's pretty sick too. Oh, we saw that yesterday. Oh, wow, the fins. The fins. Oh, that thing's huge. What's next? Oh, yeah. Yoga. Really ugly T-Bird. Oh, nice black Corvette. Old Holden. Oh. Oh, here comes another GT. That's pretty sweet. Oh, is that an E-Type Jag? It is. No way. Oh, man.
Like a rocket ship.
Yeah. You won't see them very often, eh? They're really, really expensive and rare. Oh, commie. Oh, another VP. The VPs are popular today. Oh, GDS Monaro. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, we saw this thing yesterday. Oh, and the Santa Fe. Oh, no, it's a Tucson. Beast. Oh, what's next? The old pink Holden. FB or an FC. Oh, there's a Chevy Mustang. Oh, here's this station wagon. We saw that yesterday too. Man. Oh, this thing's pretty nice. We might have seen that one yesterday too, eh? We saw a lot of these. Another old Holden. Mustang. Another Mustang. Oh, that's a Mustang too, I think. Ugh. Oh, EK wagon. Beast. Valiant Ute. Old Ford Ute. Oh, yeah. Nice X Series Fairlane. Oh, it's a convertible Maury. Oh, another old Holden. That was pretty sweet. Oh, this thing's really nice. Oh, wow. HQ. Oh, the old Land Cruiser. No way. Oh, wow. FJ, GTR. Oh, that was nice. Oh, the old panel van, shag and wagon. That's a Sandman too, eh? Yeah, it is. Oh, that was pretty cool. Hey, 1600. My most hated of all Datsuns. Who'd want to drive that shoebox? Where's all the 120Ys? Oh, Statesman VH. Wonder why he's got, oh, what was it? 5000L or something, eh? And it's got HSV 001 number plates, so it could be the first one. There's a nice VHSS. Oh, here's this ugly Mori we saw yesterday. See the front end on it, how ugly it is compared to this one? That's the one you want. That was really cool. Oh, that's for sale. Ooh. Ah, like an old Woody. Whoa, more Morrises. Oh, what's this big thing, eh? Yeah, wow. That was a beast. SLR 5000. Oh, he's got the drop tank. Yeah. Oh, that Ford's pretty mean. Oh, nice panel van, mate. Oh, that's cool. I like the colour. Hey, go to Stato. Nice. Oh, here's an old Porsche. Oh, that was really cool. Another Stingray, followed by the Cobra. Where I grew up at Rudy Hill, these people had like 2 or 3 of these Cobras in their backyard, eh?
These things?
Yeah, and they didn't drive them stuff off, but when they started them up, you knew about it, eh? Oh yeah, up him! Yeah, wow. Oh, that Valiant's really nice. There's that Chrysler wagon we saw yesterday. More Valiants. See, this is all the Valiants and the Chryslers coming through now. Oh yeah! The Firebird. Ah, nice HR panel van. Here's my old man's got one of them as well. Oh, the old Cortina. Wow. That was pretty nice. Had all the GT badges and stuff. Oh, wow. Oh, man, there's still heaps more coming behind these modern cars, too. There's like WB coming here. Yeah. Yeah, WBU. Another XD. Oh, what's that? Wow. Oh, Buick. Wow, that was a beast. Another Stingray. Corvette. Another Corvette. Oh, the pace car from Indianapolis. Wow, the Corvettes, eh?
I like Corvettes.
Yeah.
Wow.
The modern MG with the crash bumpers. Ugh. XR2. Oh, this thing's mean. Yeah, that thing's really tough. Wow. Oh, the Ratty EH. More Vets. Another GT. Oh yeah, 180B. Woo! Gather Dado! Oh yeah, that was really nice 180B. That's what my 120Y's got the motor out of, is one of them, eh? And I got a 5-speed gearbox from a Stanza though, with dogleg shift pattern. Oh, she's a beast, my daddo. Yeah. Woo, nice horn. Oh, another Ford. That was pretty cool.
Oh, wow.
Is EH towing the old caravan, eh? Wibble, wobble, wobble all the way here.
That's so cool.
What's this? This sounds pretty mean. Charger. What's that one? Pontiac. Oh, very nice. Old school Firebird. GDS. Oh man, they're still coming. Luga. More Corvettes. Yeah, that was pretty mean. Oh, the horn still works on this one. Old Cortina. Oh, what's that? Some old pommy car. Oh, it's an Audi. Oh, wow. I don't know if I've ever seen an Audi that old. Oh, the big F truck. That's pretty tough. Oh, here we go. It's the Monaro. Oh, it's not the Monaro. I forget what they call them. The LE? Something like that. Had its original mags and everything. That was really cool. Oh, that's Stato. Yeah. Oh, that was really cool. I like that. Oh, no way. That guy just cut off all the cars. What's he doing? Oh, smoke it up, mate. Smoke it up. Oh, yeah, up him. Oh, the VS. Oh, it's a VR. Oh, VL. Very nice. 5 litre. Another Statesman. Oh, here's an old Kingswood. Another silly car. Oh, that's a really nice one too. GDS Monaro. HQ as well. Oh, that's the one to have. Oh, RT Charger. That's the one we saw yesterday, I think. Another GDS. Oh, here's that Capri we saw yesterday. Oh, here's a really nice little LJ. 4-door. EH wagon. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Oh, FC or an FB. Oh man. Oh no, it's an EK. And a nice EH Premier. Oh, this sounds cool. Oh, it's a 4-door Monaro. Oh, I'm in. Oh, the Combi Ute. Oh, Toyota. Woo, beast. Woo. Something smelled a bit fuely there. Yeah, we're over the Mustangs, mate. You should have been earlier. An old Buick 23, it says. Old Jag. Another GDS. Oh yeah, she's a 2-door as well. That's nice. VK. Oh, here's an old Mazda RX-7, like a Series 7, I think. Yeah, that's pretty cool. No number plates. Oh, that's cool, Val. That was really nice. MG. Oh, some old pommy thing. Dunno. Old Holden. Ford. Oh, this GDS is pretty nice too. Yeah, wow. Oh man, and they're still coming. That's it. Up him. Oh wow, an SS. Didn't look right though. Nice ute. That's pretty tough. Whoa. Oh man, my phone arm's getting sore from holding the camera. We might have to start being more picky about what cars we look at, because this is going to go forever and ever.
How many do you reckon we've seen so far?
Oh, I don't know. A couple of hundred.
100 or 2?
Yeah.
Well, they say up to 500.
Yeah. Is it old Hilux, is it? Oh, he's going a bit slow. Come on. Up him. Yeah. Old Hilux. SR5 it said. Sweet XB. Oh, this sounds cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Rod stock blocks. Custom made, it said on the back, eh? So he's an engine builder. That's why his car sounds so much better than everyone else's. Oh, wow. This thing's pretty old. That's like the Beverly Hillbillies car, eh? Hey, he's got the La Cucaracha horns on the old Val. Oh, there's a Group AVK. Oh, nice. Don't see them anymore, eh? Oh, six-wheeler. Oh, that'd be mad. Build a nice wombat on the back of that would be sick. Oh man, this old Bedford truck, wow. Yeah, that's really nicely done. Another old Holden, it's like FB or an EK or something. Yeah, that was pretty nice too. More Ford Coupes. Another GT. Oh no, it's not a GT, that one. It's a Fairmont. Nice Val. Oh, that thing's pretty cool. What else? What else? Oh, there's another Group A. Oh, the Walkinshaw.
Was it the same Walkinshaw?
It might be, eh? It's really hard to tell.
This old bus thing.
Oh yeah, there's a bus coming. The VH Commodores. They're like $100 cars for a long time, them things. Stato.
It's a Woodstock bus.
Oh yeah, he's going to Woodstock. Yeah, let me in. Oh, wow. Oh, HQ. Oh, that was nice. Put some effort into that one. Oh man, this has been pretty cool, eh? Oh yeah, mad. Woo, and they're still coming. Oh, the yellow GT, this is pretty cool. He's got the Dukes of Hazzard horn. He's gonna send that thing off some jumps later. That's nice. Oh yeah, hard to beat a Monaro, eh? Especially like the HQs. Oh, nice HR here with the vinyl roof. Oh yeah, Premier. That was really nice. Oh, the black Chrysler. They're better in black, for sure. Oh, big F truck. That was a bit modern. Oh, now I can see a KE70 coming. Comes the Hillmans. Oh, it wasn't a KE70, it was that thing. And the Magna. Up him. Oh man, the Magnas are pretty popular today too, eh? Wow. Oh yeah. Big Cadillac, presidential car. Charger, Statesman. Ah, Dano. Yeah, 280 ZX. It's like they're getting sought after, but they were always like really hated up until a few years ago. Just good for parts for other Datsuns. Nice Stato there. Comes the RAA. Oh man, they're still coming, eh? Wow. There's heaps and heaps. Oh man, it's hard to beat these old Valiants, eh? They're so cool. 351. Yeah, that was a really nice GT, that one. Ooh, Gemini! What's next? Old Holdens, HKs. Oh, this guy's giving out lollies. Woo! Oh, this is nice. Like FB Ute. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Ooh. Wow, that thing sounded like a train. Oh, the Jemmy Coupe. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's like the one me and Ash put a 5 litre in. Oh, here comes this XU1 we saw yesterday. This is probably the nicest one still, eh? Hard to beat that beast. Sandman Ute. Here's a like 80s Porsche. That's like the least sought after Porsche you can get. Oh, what's that? Oh man, Sunbeam. That was really cool. There's old mate's Tirana I spoke to yesterday. SLR 5000. Oh yeah. Down through the gears, getting up him. Oh, what's this thing? It's a HDT car. Yeah, wow. That was alright. Old V8 supercar mock-up. Oh, another EH. It's a Ute, that one. That's pretty cool. Oh, I can hear some chirping in the background. Someone's up it. Oh, I have to have a break, put my hand down for a minute. XP Ute. Another Charger. Man, there's some Chargers around, eh? Mini. Another Statesman. Pontiac. Yeah, that was pretty nice. Comes an actual Beetle. That's the first one. That was a really nice Beetle too. Would have thought there would have been a lot more of them, but only one so far. Oh, the old Range Rover or Land Rover.
Little Skippy in the back.
Got his kangaroos. Nice Valiant Ute. by the big Chevy. Oh yeah, that was
Wow.
cool. More Uga cars.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a sick little MG. Yeah, I'd have that one. Oh, and here comes his Type 3 we saw yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, wow. Split screen combi ute. That was really nice. Had his windscreen all popped open too, eh? Oh, here comes a motorbike. I haven't seen a motorbike for a little bit. Old Honda. Oh yeah, the Toyota. All-wheel drive
He had the
high
Russell
ace.
Coit sticker on there, time to hit the road.
Yeah. Oh, the old ratty ute. Oh man, yeah, that was really ratty and original, eh? Still had all its rust and everything. Another Maury there. Oh, this Chev's pretty cool. Super Sport. Oh, Turbo VL. VK. Oh, this might be a Group A VN. It is. Oh man, when I first started work, I worked with a bloke who had one of them, eh? What a beast. You won't see them very often. Oh, here comes more Datsuns. Well, it's a Nissan, that one, but... Oh, that was really cool. That looked really original, that SS, eh? Had the drop tank. It was really cool. Oh, that Jemmy! Early Jemmy. Beast. Zephyr. Another old Ford. What's that say? An XM. I don't know if there's XM. Maybe. Oh, that's a nice panel van. Oh wow, oh man, that HR sounded mean. It was supercharged. Oh, they'll work you, eh? Oh man, this is what they all used to look like in the 90s. Till everyone started doing them up. I need some bugs. Woo! Oh, that one was cool. Tirana. Oh yeah, up him. Go. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Early Corvette. Oh, that was cool. I don't know what that was. Oh, he's Jag. Another Jag. Oh, that's an old Jag. Wow. There's another Jag too. VH Commodore. Oh, that Mini was pretty cool, eh? He had a lot of camber in the front. I bet that thing fly around corners. More Holdens. The yellow one's pretty nice. Wow, another Charger. Man, where do all the Chargers come from? Oh, this is pretty cool. There's an Austin. Yeah, man. Mad day, eh? I'm gonna have like way too much car footage, but I'm not gonna edit it out. I'll make sure everybody gets their car in that drove past. Oh, the old blue thing. Beep, 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 beep. Wow. Old Thunderbird. What's this? Like one of them ugly Mustangs or something. Ah, oh, Gran Torino. Oh, that was ugly. Oh, that's nicer. Sick old Ute. Another old Kingswood. Ah, oh, what's this? Old Jeep. Damn. I thought she might have been a G60 Patrol. Sick old caddy. Oh man. HQSS, Mark 1 Mustang, or some, what's that, 31 Coupe it says. Oh, the convertible Val. Very nice. Yeah, bong on, mate. Oh, mad Valiant Pacer, I think. Yeah, that was alright. Didn't like his mags much though. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Just putt along, keep everyone guessing. Comes another old Maury. Beep, 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 beep. Rupert the Maury. The old Tory. Oh, that's sick. Got his mad bull bar going on. Oh, there's that ratty thing. We saw that yesterday at the servo. Oh, that sounds tough. Not many cars we've seen to keep up with that, I reckon. And oh, the big Chevy fucking Ute. Yeah, wow. Wow. Oh man, the amount of cool cars that have come past has just been incredible, eh? Oh, here comes the old Volvo. Oh, I've had one of them as well, eh? I had a 244. That was a 244 DL. I don't think ours was that old. Oh, nice sidecar. Cool old panel van. HR Ute. And then Mini Minor up there. Oh, here comes the old Suzuki Sierra. Had a couple of them as well, eh? Beast, I bet it's cold in the back of that. Well, it's always cold in the Suzuki actually, eh? Even in the front with the roof off, they're freezing. Oh, that sounds pretty tough. Oh, and here comes the Subies. Oh, that's nice. Oh, Falcon 500. This thing sounds pretty tough too. Oh, more modern cars now. Another old Maury. And this old Ute. Oh man, yeah, listen to this. Wow, it sounds like a steam train. And the number plates were just like painted on the back of it, like you can hardly even read them. Oh, that says last car there. So maybe that's it. That RACC car had it on the back of it. I'm guessing so. Alright, back in the warmth of the Wombat, because it's very Cornish out here today. Alright, now it's time to go chase them all and find out where they're all going. And I'll get to wave at everyone too, eh? Drive down here, wave at all the people that are waiting and do marathon. Oh, there's some people to wave at.
Woo! Hey! It worked! Response, result. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're in the sickest old Mercedes, eh?
Woo!
Everybody loves everybody waves. Oh, I caught Tina there blowing some smoke. It's funny as making everyone wave at me. Oh yeah!
Hey. We're the royalty now.
Where are we going?
Town
Yes, this
centre?
way. Follow the witches' ads. That was fun as. There was heaps of people waved at us even without waving at them. And then even the guys who were like directing the cars where to go, he's like just, yeah, just keep going straight ahead. Like,
As if we're part of it.
So yeah,
Felt
that
pretty
was
good,
funny
hey?
as.
I liked it.
Yeah. So we're just gonna go to
I
Woolies
see
now.
the appeal in buying a classic car now. Like, you feel like a rock star. Like,
yeah. Especially when you do cruises like that, it's mad fun, eh? I wish I had the Datsun here. But yeah, so we're going to Woolies, then we'll go find where all the cars parked up, and yeah, go have a look again. Right, so we found where all the cars come to, and like, this video is already almost an hour long, so you aren't going to get a look. I just want to come and have a look at these cars. A lot of the cars are just in the car park because they didn't enter. There's this 57 Bel Air there. That is a beast, eh? Oh man, I'd kill for that. But here's the car I really want to look at. Is the Group AVN here. Oh wow. I thought these had chrome like Club Sport mags, not just the alloy look, but yeah, either way, she's still pretty nice. It could be a mock-up, but I doubt it, eh? Does it have I can't see the HSV numbers on the dash or nothing either, so I don't know. I would have thought it would have had like leather interior too, so could be, might not be, doesn't matter too much though. It's still really nice car to look at, eh? Whoa. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today. It's gonna take me like hours and hours to upload this video, so yeah, I guess you'll get to see it when it uploads, so we'll see you there.